my class. This is A students tutors. So then I want to solve a particular question on fraction, and it is subtraction of fraction. Now in this case we have 4 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 10. Now the first thing you have to do when you are solving questions involving fraction is to look for the lowest common multiple, which is the LCM of 5 and 10 for the denominators. Now, the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Okay? Now, 10 divided by 5 will give you 2. You now multiply that 2 by 4, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. Again, when you are subtracting fraction, you look for the lowest common multiple, that means the LCM of the two denominator, which is 5 and 10. And the LCM is 10. Now, we now start from the first one. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Minus 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So you now have 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 10. Now you have to simplify this. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So you have 1 over 2. So that means that 4 divided by 5, that means 4 over 5 minus 3 over 10 will give you what? Will give you 1 over 2. That's the answer.